It's got lots of water around. It's like this great big rock that's close to the water. I got my feet in the water, and there's a little waterfall close by. It's very pretty.
Tell me about your feet in the water. I want you to really feel and sense with a big deep breath, inhaling and anchoring yourself in that space. Feel the water underneath your feet.
Mm-hmm.
What is the water connected to?
It just feels fresh and um, just really comforting.
It's comforting to your feet.
Just
Or
comforting to my whole being, I guess.
and this water, is it charged with anything?
Mm-hmm.
What is it charged with?
Charged with energy.
Okay. Tell me more about that energy and how does it affect your feet?
Mm, it just feels soft, and it feels like it doesn't even feel like it's touching my feet. It's like almost part of my feet. And it's
Yeah.
just water, and it's sparkly, and it's moving quite quickly. And it's just very comforting to sit and listen to the sound.
What part of you gets comforted?
My whole being just being in a place like that.
It's very peaceful
Mm-hmm.
and very special because it is your special place, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Tell me more about that place.
It's just one great big rock in the water. Now I'm just sitting on the rock.
You're sitting on the rock.
Mm-hmm.
Can you touch the rock
Mm-hmm.
with your hand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you can touch the rock with your hand and you are feeling the water with your feet, is there
Mm-hmm.
a connection between the two?
Yeah. The water is not only energizing me, it's energizing the stone, and in the same place the stone is charging the water. It's like they are connected and work together.
And how do they work together as they're the water's energizing the stone? What is the
Well,
stone
the,
providing for the water?
the stone is holding lots of codes, lots of memory, lots of knowledge, and the water runs by the stone, and it almost reads the messages and the energy from the stone, and that then is added to the water, and the water travels, and as it travels, other people swim, or other people just sit by a lake or by a river, and they are picking up the codes without even realizing that it's helping them to awaken also.
Just as your feet are in the water right now, are you picking up those codes as well?
It's more I'm helping to, it is benefiting me, but I'm more there to hold the energy, while the water rushes by the stone and collects the energy, deeper energy, a different kind of energy, and brings it through everywhere that the water touches. And even as the water touches the riverbanks, so parts of trees are also in the water, and
Mhm.
leaves, grass, and reeds, and each little bit of nature feeds their energy into the water.
Oh,
And
yeah.
you
So the
just
water is receiving all of the information, energetic information from the trees as well, from the reeds.
and not only from the branches that are in the water with the leaves down through the roots, because the trees also drink that water, and that's like another energy exchange where the water is sucked up through the roots into the tree, nourishes the tree, grows the branches and the leaves touch the water,
Mhm.
and it's all just one great big connection. Nature is just one big, amazing